Ford's exclusive version of electronic stability control is called AdvanceTrac. It's similar to what Honda calls VSA, and other brands may use different names for their stability control systems. The goal of this system is to reduce the chance of an accident by preventing vehicle skid in severe situations. The somewhat intricate AdvanceTrac system from Ford uses a number of sensors to track wheel speed and other aspects of the stability of the car. You see the message Service AdvanceTrac on the dashboard of your Ford. While alarming, AdvanceTrac issues are reversible on all Ford vehicle models. Watch the video to find out why these messages are appearing and how to fix this annoying light. It's Max the Car Guy. Subscribe and let's get started. Why does this warning light come on? The Service AdvanceTrac warning light on a car can be illuminated for various reasons, but sensor-related problems are the most common cause. Either way, there is a malfunction that the system controller has detected that prevents the system from working properly. Faulty steering angle sensor. The electronic control unit in your car receives signals from the steering angle sensor, which measures the angle at which the steering wheel is turned and aids in stability maintenance. The warning light may appear if the sensor malfunctions, impairing your car's ability to maintain stability. Faulty wheel speed sensor. Wheel speed sensors, which measure each tire's rotational speed, are a component of your car's anti-lock braking system and help stop skidding and tire lock-up. The warning light may appear if your car's stability is compromised due to a broken or non-functioning wheel speed sensor. In certain situations, such as on slick surfaces like ice or snow, you might even experience traction loss. Broken clock spring. A clock spring is the part that's responsible for maintaining the electrical connection between your vehicle's steering wheel and the ECU. Stability problems may arise from a broken clock spring, which affects the signals transmitted to the ECU from the steering angle sensor. Compromised steering system components. Several components of the steering system are essential to preserving your car's correct handling and control. The stability of your car may be affected if any of these parts wear out or sustain damage, in which case the Service AdvanceTrac light may illuminate. Damaged sensor wiring. The AdvanceTrac system's ability to function properly may be negatively impacted if the wiring harness connecting any of the stability-related sensors becomes loose, disconnected, or damaged. In this case, the warning light may appear on your dashboard. Tire or wheel mismatch. Your car's warning light may also come on if the wheels or tires are mismatched. Inaccurate readings from the wheel speed sensors may result from having different sized tires or wheels on your car, such as a spare tire that is not the same size as the rest of the tire. Different sized tires may be installed on each axle from the factory on some Ford vehicles, and the AdvanceTrac system is designed to accommodate for this. However, stability control and other electronic safety systems may become problematic if you begin using non-OEM sizes on your own. Low brake fluid. Last but not least, your car's Service AdvanceTrac warning light may illuminate due to low brake fluid. Your car's braking system may be compromised by low fluid levels. The warning light acts as a reminder to check and fix this problem. Most of the time, the brake warning light will also be on. How to fix. When a Service AdvanceTrac light illuminates, drivers are essentially left with no choice but to address the underlying issue. Although it may seem easy to just clear all relevant codes to turn off the system's warning message, this is just a temporary workaround. When the ignition is turned on again, this light will most likely come back on, as your car runs its routine system self-checks. Most of the time, a high-end scan tool and a trained eye will be needed for the issue at hand's diagnosis. But the do-it-yourself enthusiast can always conduct their own visual examination to try and identify any obvious issues. It is advisable to thoroughly inspect each wheel speed sensor and matching wiring harness pigtail when trying to identify the underlying cause of an AdvanceTrac-related problem. A frayed, pinched, or corroded wire should be looked for. Additionally, make sure that there are no broken connections between these sensors and the intermediate harnesses that connect them. To check for water intrusion, unplug each speed sensor's pigtail from its intermediate harness. In certain instances, it could also be feasible to examine the supply voltage and ground at the system's matching modules. The AdvanceTrac system may encounter operational disruptions in the absence of a stable, resistance-free ground feed and full system input voltage. To perform such checks, however, a wiring diagram or pinout reference specific to the vehicle will be needed. If you are still unable to identify any clear cause of failure or you are just uneasy diagnosing the AdvanceTrac system yourself, get in touch with an experienced service center for additional assessment. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.